I eat a lot of potatoes, I eat a lot of oatmeal, I eat a lot of rice. Like a bag of rice, you can get a big bag of rice for 10 bucks.
Way to gain weight, basically, increase your protein, increase your carbs, and try not to eat too many bad ones.
You gotta eat. It's all about food. Food is the most anabolic compound. You could take all the drugs in the world. People think, oh, if I go take all these drugs, I'm gonna be huge or this or that. No. It's all about training and diet. That's what it's really about.
Eat a lot of rice, eat a lot of baked potato.
Food doesn't taste good. I'm tired of eating the same thing over and over again. I don't eat for taste. I eat for an outcome, and that's muscle mass. I eat to grow. I eat to get bigger. You need to be like a dog. You need to eat regimented and consistently just like a dog.
Everybody who thinks that these guys all look the way that they do because of drugs, you guys are all wrong. It's not. Because if that was the case, anybody with a thick wallet could go buy a bunch of gear and they're going to look huge and ripped and all that, and that doesn't happen. It's through hard work. You got to train and you got to eat right. That's the bottom line.